Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making pizza sauce. This was one of my viewer requests. Let's get started. First add a bit of oil, 1 small onion and saute it. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. While adding ingredients, keep mixing it. Add half teaspoon of olive oil, half teaspoon of chili flakes, two teaspoon of garlic paste, one chicken cube. It is optional, but I suggest that you add for better taste. 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, half tablespoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, half teaspoon of oregano. Four tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of chili garlic, 1 tablespoon vinegar. Mix it well and you are finally done. But wait, I have decided to share with you an additional recipe of Thousand Island but in my style. Let's start. Firstly, add 3 tablespoons of yogurt, then 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons hot sriracha chili sauce, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and mix well. Now we are done with pizza sauce and Thousand Island. If you like this video, don't forget to turn the like button to blue and leave a comment if any other video you would like me to make, and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for more interesting video like this. Thank you for watching and bye.